kansem. Sir John, let's speak true to power. And Abamba, when you how many years?
Onya 1 year. Okay,
me pass 2 years.
Yes, I will 2 years.
2 years. When you or you 2 years. Okay. Ni flagship policy and as a campaign message pa 2024 na dey there.
24-hour economy.
Me pacho 24-hour economy aye adwuma.
Akoma FM 87.9
companies be running 24 hours this year.
No, please. Aye adwuma.
Oh, me can.
Oh no, nyawo na me
based on the Gushitano mo account.
Okay.
Almost say more companies be.
Let's
start. They say almost say a year 24 hours.
Let me tell them this. Why?
Passport office. Internet they say
please.
Passport 2-3 days. I go in what the other about they say 2 days.
Let
3 days on. This 3 days. Go day and night.
Let me tell them this. The 24-hour economy no any campaign of the year, we say we are not seeing top. 87.9 and that's a fact. And this was the main campaign message of the NDC. Share MPP about 2016 no campaign message day.
Free SHS.
Okay, omo launch free SHS that way.
Oh,
2017.
First year, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, first year.
And a chassis. It is a offer free senior high school NDC MPP time. No main campaign message. Now the 24-hour economy and also NDC campaign main campaign message. Sir John, strike the difference.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Sene to aba can NDC say omo main campaign message no ometimi I implement it. It's a fat no. It's a fat no. Yes. The economy is not doing bad. Dollar and a cedi no a stabilize it. Yeah, yes, sabi, yeah, sometimes your crackers, yes, ye nije say ye kuyika no a form. So, but that is not enough. That is not enough. Because people will question you on your main campaign message. Because 24-hour economy ni muna 133 ne wo. Meboa. 133 ne dey. One job, 3 shifts, 3 people. The obey anopa, edwuma anopa. The obey edwuma awia, the obey edwuma numre. The big question is 133 no e wo he. E wo he.
Yeah, I'm a say for you.
Na tie, die ehunie. March. Sometime in March. The Honorable Minister for Agriculture, Ebeka, say, National Broiler Project Directorate, Unimore, Eboa. Ekokonketenkete. Unimore, Meboa.
Konketenkete no.
Okay.
Unimore.
5 months down the line, the national coordinator for 24-hour economy, so saying,
or your presidential advisor on 24-hour economy.
What's he saying? Or say 24-hour market news on a day.
Say it is not their responsibility. In fact, almost building markets.
You could say, they could run so Sir John, what is happening?
I say the 24-hour market project is not our responsibility.
We
are not into development of markets.
Absolutely.
We don't know anything
about that. Sir John, do you ask yourself, say, what is happening under this administration? One, minister say, 24-hour market, no swa, say, Kamia Koye say, Yenyan 24-hour economy ne papa de. So as a market no my some physical structure no so say ayi kusita no say no so wonim ho hwe. So Sir John, the question is what is happening?
So you see no pename can say the market no be kra hu say oh okay market no kra no ti wie na market no cry how many months? It be a 3 years old.
You see?
It be a 2.5 years.
Winning.
It be a 2 years project. Depending on model open.
Winning the identity na what we are seeing, no, and different from problems kakra go board so AFC. The design, the understanding of the program and policy. That is what is lacking. It's a critical conflict.
Pow.
Sir John, policy document.
For us to understand.
One the policy document of 24-hour economy, no.
Oh, but there is. Me who
there is. No. But na say one.
That's official.
No. No, listen. Hey, we all saw the policy document of one district, one factory. Even though so many timi anye no. You have you cited the policy document of 24-hour economy? Have you cited it? Have you cited the policy document of Nkum Ketenkete? And nothing near problems, no. And not because I didn't offer us to be a yenny dear. Ubia no yenny dear. Meboa. Ubia yenny dear. Yes, there's no coordination because there's no policy document. It's where the koboha, where the kwa, or the faha, no, the koboha. No, we have a fa was me the minimum hill. Do you know why all these things are coming up? When the entire animal winning a ebano, because there is no proper coordination, and you see, as Oma shall say mistakes. No say such a duma say Bank the anywhere.
To be a baby no film.
Yes.
And
such a duma see Bank. Makacho say me sakisi no. Sebi. Me kura me nye lawyer no. Si edema me kura na esi me court wa. Me di nkunim ama bank no. Me di nkunim. Entina ese gusita no master ti yi omo free mo no. Wonso wakan. Was say stop suing us. Yes. It's judgment debt there.
Say no.
Dachi biano.
Assembly biano.
Ebi wo ho.
Ebe bear the costs.
He unim me call sample last week no. Na and also vast minim structures are no no mo buni nyina. Because I know 24-hour a very big way arena. And no mo buni nyina. So well, minim say ni save there, I don't know. He save there fine. Benye save so judgment debt. C'est bon. Hey. C'est bon.
Ko ya obenya ya kenka come up. 24 on more website o.
Edio.
Nkum. On more website.
Unim. C'est John.
Timmy.
I'm not talking about website. I'm talking about policy document. I'm not talking about website. That's a website. Which website be at all? We are talking about. Have you cited the policy document of the project? That's what I'm talking about. The website. Exactly. Do you have it? And it is all there. Share near. Oh, please. There's no policy document. Etina is say problem say ba no eti obia na ka policy document o ho minister sector minister say enkoko ketekete onimo we policy document o ho gusitano say 24-hour market onimo we. Please, what are you talking about? What's the website?
I say website is bit my direction kakra. I'm sure before.
Fat topic for Frobra.
Before.
Fat topic for Frobra.
This in the crackra.
House of Faith Ministries. Oh, meaning we are making you. No, but